Hello, I'm Heather Hawk, and I'll be your guide as we tour the most advanced fitness manufacturing facility in the world. Please join me as we travel across the globe to visit the international headquarters of SportsArt Fitness. At over 500,000 square feet, it is the largest single-brand manufacturing facility in the industry. To get to SportsArt's world headquarters, you will typically fly to Taipei, Taiwan, then hop another flight to Kaohsiung. Once in Kaohsiung, you will travel by car or bus to Tainan. Taiwan is an economic powerhouse with the second highest per capita income in all of Asia. And with a national literacy rate of 96%, Taiwan has long established itself as a technology leader. Here we are at the TAINAN Technology Center, home to the world headquarters of SportsArt Fitness. Because of SportsArt's commitment to advanced engineering and manufacturing technologies, it was chosen as an anchor tenant in this world-class technology park. This commitment to world-class standards resulted in SportsArt being the first fitness manufacturer in the world to receive TÜV ISO 9001-9002 certification. TÜV is the same registrar that inspects the facilities of Mercedes, so you can say that SportsArt is in good company. The lobby of SportsArt's world headquarters is an elegant combination of old world charm, tradition, and craftsmanship. It is here that customers from over 80 countries worldwide are greeted by owners Paul Guo and Julie Huang, whose warmth and hospitality are legendary. Greetings, Mr. Guo.
Welcome to our company.
Thank you. Ms. Huang?
Please enjoy your visit.
We will. Since founding SportsArt in 1977, Paul Guo has been the epitome of a hands-on owner. He oversees every aspect of product development, design, engineering and manufacturing, and quality control. In fact, the amazing facilities you're going to see on this tour were designed by Mr. Guo and are the direct result of his drive, vision, and long-term commitment to the fitness industry. Product development, innovation, and world-class manufacturing are the core principles of SportsArt's business. Here at their world headquarters, design, development, manufacturing, and testing are all under one roof. One of the questions that people everywhere want to know is, how do products go from concept to reality? For SportsArt Fitness, product development is truly a global undertaking. With distributors in 80 countries worldwide and company-owned operations in Taiwan, the U.S., China, Europe, the UK, South America, and Indonesia, SportsArt serves a very diverse customer base. Product suggestions come from customers, employees, and our global senior management team, including Mr. Guo himself. Once a suggestion is determined to be worthy, that's when the real innovation begins. With over 100 U.S. and international patents to his credit, Paul Guo is widely regarded as one of the industry's true engineering leaders. The Mechanical Engineering Department at SportsArt Fitness is where our breakthrough innovations start becoming reality. It's here the concepts such as our adjustable stride ellipticals, adjustable cushion treadmills, and patented cycles start taking shape. The next stage of product development is when the engineering concepts become rough prototypes. This gives engineers and customers an opportunity to start testing the feel, motion, ergonomics, and biomechanics. The design department is responsible for the aesthetic excellence SportsArt Fitness is known for, but they must also work very closely with engineering and manufacturing to make sure these beautiful designs can be built efficiently while maintaining the world-class quality SportsArt is known for. Once prototyping has reached a very refined stage, the tooling process begins. In order for a product to reach the production line, extremely precise, high-quality tooling must be designed and built. Mechanical tooling for an individual product can easily cost $200,000, and plastics tooling can be an additional $50,000. Our design department and software engineers work closely with a variety of fitness experts worldwide to develop advanced programming and display layouts. To fully enhance the user experience, our displays must be visually engaging, they must deliver a wide variety of feedback, and they must provide the programming necessary to help our customers reach their fitness goals. Now that you've seen a brief overview on how SportsArt products get from concept to reality, let's examine how they get from raw materials to finished goods. The receiving department at SportsArt Fitness is where all raw materials and sub-assemblies arrive. Every shipment that comes through these doors undergoes rigorous quality control testing. SportsArt designs all of their own displays and writes all of their own software. However, due to their high production volume, it is more efficient and cost-effective to have the actual displays fabricated from outside sources. Once they arrive at SportsArt Fitness, every one is quality tested. SportsArt Fitness designs a wide variety of lift motors for their treadmills, including several that feature an industry-leading 1,100 pounds of thrust. Recently, SportsArt Fitness became one of the first in the industry to utilize AC lift motors. This new technology provides extremely quiet operation and enhanced durability. SportsArt Fitness designs and builds all of their own treadmill motors. Each motor is specifically matched to the performance level and usage requirement of each treadmill. This ensures optimum performance and maximum efficiency. Upon completion, each and every motor is tested for balance, output, and amp draw. Next, each motor is matched to a precision balanced flywheel. In addition, several motors per day are selected for long-term testing. This commitment to motor technology has led to the new EcoPower motor, the industry's first green motor, using 32% less electricity than competing motors. And many of SportsArt's treadmills have the FlowTech system. FlowTech motors incorporate a continuously running turbine fan that draws cool air into the motor and then dissipates the warm air that is extracted by the heat sink. This design, coupled with the unique filtering system, provides the only cooling and cleaning system in the industry. The raw materials warehouse, which occupies over 5.5 million cubic feet, is one of the marvels of the SportsArt Fitness facility. This warehouse contains over 4,000 pallets, housing thousands of different parts and components. Each day, the production managers submit their parts requests. The warehouse manager then inputs all of the part numbers into his master computer. This master computer controls the robotic pick-and-place system. This system retrieves the parts and delivers them back to the receiving stations at any one of the 7 stores it serves, where the parts are then distributed to various departments. The SportsArt Fitness Welding Department is another technological marvel. First, SportsArt Fitness designs and builds all their own jigs, as well as the automated hydraulic systems that deliver and take away the jigs. Once the jigs are in place, these state-of-the-art robotic welders take over and deliver perfect precision welds time after time. SportsArt's entry into world-class strength products necessitated another major investment in technology. This tube bender is the largest in the entire Pacific Rim region. In fact, it's so large that it had to be built on-site. It allows for precision radius bending of the distinctive tubing that SportsArt Fitness is famous for. The SportsArt Fitness powder coating process is the most advanced in the industry. It begins with each metal part going through a multi-stage pre-treatment process. This process removes all impurities and prepares the metal for the electrostatically applied powder. The metal parts go through a powder booth where the powder is shot from several angles, thereby ensuring total coverage. Once out of the powder booth, the coated parts travel to a 2-stage drying oven. This process breaks, melts, and hardens the powder, and actually causes it to bond to the metal. This entire process is nearly 1 kilometer or over half a mile in length. Every category of SportsArt products has its own production line. While the production lines are separate, the total quality manufacturing principles are the same.
Our quality manufacturing principles start with extensive training. Every employee in the assembly area receives several weeks of intense training before they take their place. Even though much of our facility is automated, you will find that many aspects of our assembly process are done by hand. In essence, our employees need to be highly skilled craftsmen. In addition to our handcrafted quality, you have the confidence of knowing that every electronic component of every machine is tested while on the assembly line. After assembly is complete, every product receives a thorough top-to-bottom inspection. At the packaging area, every product receives its own custom and unique packaging that will protect it on its travels around the globe.
While not possessing the advanced electronics of their cardio products, the SportsArt Fitness Strength Series is amazing in its own right. Everything about SportsArt Strength is impressive, from the contoured, custom fabricated upholstery to the deep channel pulleys, the Kevlar belting to the silent weight stacks with integrated incremental weights. Demand for these products has grown virtually every month. But don't worry, SportsArt has made the commitment in space and materials to keep up with that worldwide demand. For many customers, their favorite part of the tour is the mechanical test area. This is where a variety of custom robots, each one designed and built by SportsArt, test every conceivable mechanical aspect of their products. At this station, the hydraulic robot performs hundreds of thousands of repetitions with full weight stack to measure durability of the pulleys, bearings, and belts. This test also measures whether the belts stretch, as well as whether any key frame areas experience metal fatigue. At this station, ex-trainers undergo 24 hours per day usage for the equivalent of 1 year. Every component from flywheels to bearings to pedal cranks to resistance arms must successfully complete the test. Here we have the famous elliptical test. With a simulated 400-pound user and the machine operating at full resistance, components must last a minimum of 1 year at 24-hour use per day. This one is my favorite. This treadmill tester can simulate user weights up to 600 pounds and can operate at speeds of 1 to 12 miles per hour. Not content to build the world's finest fitness equipment, SportsArt also designs and builds all of its own testing machines. The last stop for SportsArt fitness products before their final destination is the amazing finished goods warehouse. Featuring fully automated robotics, this warehouse occupies over 75,000 square feet. This robotic system can take you from ground level up to over 7 stories high, and it can stop and pick up products at any point along its 3 million cubic foot journey. Once a SportsArt fitness product has completed its journey from concept to development to production, it is then loaded on a container and begins its journey to you. Well, now you've completed your tour of the SportsArt Fitness World Headquarters. But if you wait just a couple more minutes, we'd like to introduce you to our brand new facility in Zhuhai, China.
The spectacular new SportsArt Fitness facility in Zhuhai, China features all the latest in manufacturing technology with robotic welding, computerized powder coating, and an extensively trained staff. The new facility is sure to uphold SportsArt's reputation for world-class quality. We hope you enjoyed your brief visit to our factories.